Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something every car owner should know: suspension shock or strut replacement, with a focus on costs and key considerations for 2025. If your ride feels bouncy or unstable, this video is your go-to guide. Let's break it down step by step. First, what's the deal with shocks and struts? These components are essential for your car's suspension system. Shocks absorb bumps and vibrations, while struts combine that function with structural support. Over time, they wear out due to road conditions, mileage, or even harsh weather, leading to a rougher ride. How do you know it's time for a replacement? Watch for signs like excessive bouncing after hitting a pothole, uneven tire wear, strange noises from the suspension, or poor handling around corners. Ignoring these can compromise your safety, so don't delay. Now, let's talk costs. This is where it gets real. For a typical vehicle, a single shock or strut might cost $50 to $500, depending on the brand and quality. Labor fees can add $100 to $500, making the total bill anywhere from $200 to $1,500. Factors like your car's make, model, and whether you're going for basic or high-tech 2025 options, like adaptive shocks that adjust to road conditions, will influence the price. What else should you consider? Think about DIY versus professional help. If you're handy, you might save money by doing it yourself, but you'll need the right tools and safety gear. For most folks, a trusted mechanic is safer, especially with newer 2025 vehicles that have advanced electronics. Always check for warranties on parts and look for eco-friendly options, as manufacturers are pushing sustainable materials this year. Plus, regular maintenance can extend the life of your suspension. In summary, replacing shocks or struts is a smart investment for better performance and safety. Get quotes from multiple shops, consult your owner's manual, and if you're unsure, seek professional advice. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips. Drive safe out there.